Your body is a universe. It contains trillions of individual stars. We call them cells. Each cell is like a bustling city. Tiny machines working non-stop to keep you alive. They build your tissues. They carry oxygen. They fight off invaders. This cellular society needs constant upkeep. Like stars, old cells fade and new ones are born. Your cells follow a cycle of life and death. This isn't a tragedy. It's a fundamental pillar of health. Old, damaged, unneeded cells are removed. That makes space for fresh, healthy cells. Your body can then develop, repair, maintain balance. This cosmic dance inside you is essential. When a cell's time is up, it doesn't just vanish. It follows one of several distinct pathways of destruction, each with its own signature. Apoptosis, the quiet, orderly demolition. The cell gets a signal to dismantle itself. Internal signal, external signal. It packages its contents into membrane-bound parcels. Immune cells clean those up without a fuss. Clean, efficient, prevents collateral damage. The body's preferred method for maintenance and development. Autophagy, literally self-eating. A recycling program, not always a death sentence. When a cell is starved, stressed, it engulfs damaged parts in a double membrane vesicle. It breaks them down into raw materials to build new parts or generate energy. But pushed too far, it consumes the cell entirely. Our cells do not exist in a peaceful void. They are under constant assault from a variety of damaging forces. A primary aggressor is oxidative stress. As your cells generate energy, they create byproducts called reactive oxygen species, or ROS. You can think of these as the exhaust fumes from your cellular engines. In small amounts, ROS are useful for cell signaling, but when they build up, due to pollution, radiation, even intense exercise, they become destructive. These highly reactive molecules can damage a cell's DNA, its proteins, and its fatty membranes. That damage accelerates aging and contributes to countless diseases. It is a relentless, internal chemical warfare. Inflammation is another major source of cellular stress. In the short term, inflammation is your friend. It is your body's powerful response to injury or infection. It rushes to the site to clean up debris. It fights off germs. But when this response doesn't turn off, it becomes chronic inflammation. It's like having the emergency alarm blaring constantly. In the search for ways to protect our cells, science has turned to a surprising candidate, the smallest, simplest, the most abundant molecule in the universe. This is molecular hydrogen, or H2. It is a colorless, odorless gas composed of just two hydrogen atoms bonded together. For decades, it was considered biologically inert, meaning it was thought to have no effect on the body. But groundbreaking research over the past 2 decades has revealed that this tiny molecule has remarkable therapeutic potential. It appears to act as a powerful agent that can help shield our cells from the damaging forces we face every day. Hydrogen's first and most celebrated role is as a selective antioxidant. This is what makes it truly special. Unlike other antioxidants that neutralize all ROS indiscriminately, hydrogen appears to specifically target only the most harmful ones, such as the hydroxyl radical. It leaves the beneficial ROS, which are needed for normal cell signaling, untouched. Think of it not as a sledgehammer, but as a high-precision surgical tool. When H2 neutralizes a dangerous hydroxyl radical, the only byproduct is water. This makes it an incredibly clean and efficient protector against a key driver of cellular damage, without disrupting the cell's normal communication. Beyond its antioxidant effects, hydrogen also exhibits powerful anti-inflammatory properties. It appears to gently dial down the body's inflammatory overreactions. The implications of these 3 actions are vast: selective antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, signaling modulator. Molecular hydrogen appears to touch nearly every major pathway of cell damage and death. Experimental models of stroke. Apoptosis runs rampant in the brain. Hydrogen protects neurons and reduces cell death. Ferroptosis, the iron-induced rusting of cells. Hydrogen preserves cell membranes and prevents lipid damage. Pyroptosis, the fiery cell explosion. Hydrogen calms the inflammatory cascade in sepsis. Hydrogen acts like a universal key for cellular protection. Benefits extend to foundational causes of cell stress, neutralizing the most dangerous reactive oxygen species. Hydrogen combats oxidative stress, shown in recovery from intense exercise studies. Toning down inflammatory signals, helps manage chronic inflammation, seen in autoimmune joint disease models. Emerging evidence, it may stabilize circadian rhythms, mitigating cellular stress from sleep disruption. One simple molecule providing a multifaceted buffer. Approach this with the rigor and curiosity science demands. Most research is in cell cultures and animal models. Results are promising and consistent. Large-scale, placebo-controlled human trials are the next step. We still need to learn optimal doses and delivery methods. Inhaling the gas, drinking hydrogen-rich water, other delivery means and long-term effects. The scientific community is actively exploring these questions. A story of finding answers in unexpected places. The simplest molecule could hold complex beneficial properties. A vision of using a gentle, non-toxic agent to bolster cells, helping them withstand life's unavoidable stresses. While we await more human data, this journey is a source of great hope. Sometimes the smallest things make the biggest difference.